Hello students, coming back to our mathematics subject. Yes, chapter 2 for operations part 2. Okay, in the last class we have already studied about, we have done some revisions, we have already revised about addition of a 6 digit and some to find the missing digits. So today let us learn some more addition sums of 8 and 9 digit numbers. So today we will be doing addition, that is doing some sums on addition, that is without carryover sums, addition with carryover, and again finding of missing digits of, that is sums based on 8 and 9 digit numbers. Okay. Yes, so let us start with the first topic, that is addition without carry over. Now you all know how to add numbers, how to write the numbers and then add it. So it is also the same way how you have to add. Now here the first sum is addition of 7 digits number. Okay. Now here the number is 23 lakh 14,213 plus 42 lakh 40,365. Now first, here as you can see in the table, that placing the numbers according to the places you already learned. So 3 will be in hundreds, you will place the numbers accordingly, you will make the table. Okay, and start the addition, that is from the ones place. Now here in the ones place, again 3 plus 5 is 8, 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5 in the hundreds place. In the thousands place, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the 10,000s place, 4 plus 1 is 5. And lakhs place, 3 plus 2 is 5. And in the 10 lakh place, it is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So this sum here you need not carry over to the carryover sums is not there. You just have to add the two numbers, the first addend with the second addend. Yesterday, that is in the last class, I have already told you the numbers which are to be added are called as addends, and the answer you get, or the result what you get, is called as the sum. So the sum or the answer here after adding the two addends, you get it as 65 lakhs 54,578. Here there is no carryover because it is just a number. It is a one digit number, that is when you add two numbers you get a single digit number. So you need not carry over. Let us see the second example. Here three numbers are given. Here all the three numbers are 8 digit numbers. Okay. So the first digit is 7 crore 30 lakh 51,215. Simultaneously have the habit of reading the numbers. It will give you a practice, okay, to how to read the numbers. The second addend is 1 crore 42 lakh 35,620. And the third addend is 1 crore 25 lakh 3,152. Now here also when you add all the numbers, that is you get a single digit number. So there is no need to carry over. So all the these addition sums are based on without carryover. Now 5 in the ones place, always I have told you that when you add numbers, always start from the ones place. Now in the ones place there are two numbers 5 and 2. The second addend is a 0. So 5 plus 2 will give you 7. In the tens place 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 5 is 8. In the hundreds place 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 1 will give you 9. Coming to the thousands place, same way all the other numbers you will add. Thousands place 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. In the 10,000s place 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 0 is 8. Any number plus 0, the number will remain the same. In the lakhs place, the first addend, that is the first number is 0, second number is 2 plus 5, so it will give you 7. In the 10 lakhs place, 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. In the crore place, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So this is a addition. Since when you add all the three numbers, you get a single digit number, so there is no need to carry over. It is very simple. Now while writing these numbers, when you place a comma and write, you will write it as, how will you read this number? You know already how to place the comma according to the Indian and international system. We have already learned. So you will read it as 9 crore 97 lakh 89,987. Okay, simultaneously read your answer. Now coming to the second topic, that is addition with carryover. Addition with carryover means when you add any two numbers, you get a 2-digit number. When you get a 2-digit number, you write the number in the ones place, the number which is in the ones place, you write it, and the other number you will carry over. Now let us see one example. Here it is, find the sum of, here it is, the first addend is a 7-digit number. Second also is a 7-digit number, and the third addend is also a 7-digit number. Okay. Now let us see this table, how the numbers are placed accordingly in their places. Now starting from the ones place. Now 6 plus 9 gives you 15. That is a 2-digit number. So when you get the number 15, 5 is written in the ones place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now 7 plus 1 gives you 8. You can add anyway the numbers. Okay, 7 plus 1 will give you 8. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 7 is 19. When you get 19, the number 9 is written in the tens place and 1 is carried over in the hundreds place. Okay. Now when 1 is carried out in the hundreds place, now you will add the number in the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 0, again it is 11. So 1 you will write down and 1 you will carry out in the thousands place. Now add the number. Similarly, you will add the number in the thousands place. When you add the number in the thousands place, you will get the number as 12, where again 2 is written and 1 is carried out in the 10,000s place. Okay, at the similarly, when you add the number in the 10,000s place, you will get the number as 18. So 8 you will write in the 10,000s place and 1 you will carry out in the lakhs place. Again, when you add the number in the lakhs place, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17. So 7 you will write in the lakh place and 1 you will carry out in the 10 lakh place. And when you add the number in the 10 lakh place, it is a single digit number, that is only the number 7. So when you place a comma, how will you read this number? You will read it as, you'll read this number as 3-digit and 2 digits. So you'll read this number as 77 lakh 82,195. Okay. Now let us see one more example. Yes. Now here it is, the first addend is a 9-digit number. Okay, quite a big number. And again the second addend is also a 9-digit number. So similarly, same way you have to add it starting from the ones place. If it is a 2-digit, when you add and you get a 2-digit number, the first number you will carry out in the next place. Will you see the 7 plus 8 in the ones place, 15. 1 is carried out in the tens place. So when you add it, see to it the number which is you are carrying out to the next place is also added. So be very careful while adding the numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, hundreds place, 2 plus 1, 3. So since there are only 2 add-ins which are to be added, it is simple. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 is carried out in the 10,000s place. Here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Again 1 is carried out. Same way in the lakhs place, when it is added you get 11. So 1 is written, 1 is carried out in the 10 lakh place. In the 10 lakh place, when you add all the 2 numbers, 3 numbers, you get the number as 8. In the crore place, 8 plus 0 is 8. And in the 10 crore place, 3 plus 2, when you add, you get a single digit number, that is 5. So when you add it, your answer is 58 crore 81 lakh 51,385. Okay, so simultaneously have the habit of reading the answer in words. So have you understood this? That is, we have done addition with carryover and without carry over. Now coming to some exercise sums, that is exercise 2.1. Now here what you have to do is 3 numbers, that is from the textbook we have taken. I have taken some example, that is some sums. Out of the 2-3 sums I have solved, 1 sum I have given you as homework. So let us solve some sums of the exercise. Here the first addend is a 6-digit number. The second addend is a 9-digit number, and the third addend is a 8-digit number. So I have first made the table, ones, tens, 100. I have made the table. Accordingly, after making the table, I have placed the numbers. Now see the first number, it is 8,26,074. So accordingly, I have written the number 8 in lakhs place, 26 in thousands place, and 74 in tens and ones place. Now second number, since it is a 9-digit number, the number 17 will be written in crore column. So 17 crore 3,21,462. And the third number I have placed it, 9 will be, it is an 8-digit number. So in 10 crore place you will not have any number. So 9 will be written under crore column. So 9 crore 16 lakh 34,195. Now this is a sum of a carryover sum. So when you add accordingly, in the ones place, tens place, you get the number. Accordingly, you have to carry out and do the addition sums. Now see in the ones place, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 means 1 I have written in the ones place and 1 I have carried out in the tens place, the number which is in. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. So 3 I have written in the down under the tens column, and 2 I have carried out in the hundreds place. Now after adding the number in the hundreds place, I get the number as 7. In the thousands place, when I add, I get the number as 11. So 1 is written, 1 carried out. In the 10,000s place, when I add the number, I get the number 8. In the lakhs column, when I add the number, I get the number as 17. So 7 I have written, 1 carried out in the 10 lakh place. So similarly, when I add 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore column, you get the answer as 26 crore 27 lakh 81,731. Okay, so whenever you are adding the number, you have to be very careful while adding it, and see to it that you add all the numbers which are carried out to the next number. Okay, now coming to the next sum. Here the first number is a 9-digit number. Second number is also a 9-digit number. Third is a 8-digit number, and the fourth number, here there are 4 numbers to be added, and fourth number is a 7-digit number. I have made the table accordingly. Place the number. I have placed all the numbers and then I have added it. Again, while adding, start from the ones place. 4 plus 1 5. When you add all the answers, so this two sums are from the textbook exercise sums. Okay, now in the tens place, 10, 23. In the hundreds place I have put carry 2 and 3 I have written in the tens place. Similarly, when you add hundreds column, that is hundreds place, you will get the number as 20. So 0 I have written, 2 I have carried out in the thousands place. Okay, so thousands place, when you add, you get the number as 19. So 9 I have written, 1 carried out in the 10,000s place. So if it is a 3 digit or a 4 digit, if it is a 9 digit, 8 digit, and you got 4 to 5 numbers, you have to be very careful while adding the numbers. Now same way, when you add all the numbers, you get the answer as 56 crore 91 lakh 69,035. After adding it, write the answer, place the commas, and then read the number. So this number is read as 56 crore 91 lakh 69,035. Okay, so understood, students, that is how to add all the numbers. It is very simple, but the thing is you have to be very careful while adding the numbers. Now coming to the next topic, that is finding of the missing digits. In the last class we have already done this using a smaller number. Here also same way, in this addition sums, one number is given, you have to find the next add-in number. That is, now see in the ones column, 5 is given and the next number is a question mark. Okay, so what is the number, that is what number? Now 3 is smaller than 5. So which number if you add to 5, you will get 3. Now since 3 is a smaller number, so a number should be such that you should get now the number 3 in the ones place, that is 5 plus 8. If I write the number 8 here, 8 plus 5 will give me 13. So 3 I have written here and 1 I will be carrying it out in the tens place. Okay, now same way, here the first add-in number is not given. Now 8 is bigger than 6. So 6 plus 1 is already 7. Now to the number 7, what if I add a number? I will get the number as 8. So it should be the number 1. Correct? So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now in the hundreds place, 7 plus 9. Here you can directly add the number. It will be 16. So 1 I have carried out in the thousands place. Okay. Now see the number in the thousands place. The number in the thousands place is 1, which is smaller than the number 4. So if I add 4 plus 1, it will give me 5. So that means which number if I add to 5, I'll get the number 1 here. So 5 plus 6 if I write here, it will give me 11, where 1 is written in the thousands place and 1 is carried out in the 10,000s place. Now here again the number 4 is smaller than 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. To which number if you add to 9, you will get the number 4 here. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if I write the number as 5 here, you will count it till 14. So I will write the number 5 here. So if I add 5 to this number 9, I'll get 14, where 4 I will write it down here and 1 I will carry out in the lakhs column. Now here in the lakhs column, you see 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, the number when you add, you get 2. The first added number is not given, but the sum when you add the number, it is given as 9, which is bigger number. So 2 added to which number will give you 9? So it is obvious that it is number 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Correct. Now here, so directly you can write the numbers. 3 plus what number will give you 5? That is 3 plus 2 will give you 5. So you have to just see what is the number, that is after adding what is the number written down, and simultaneously you have to find the number. Suppose if you have to find the second number, second addend, you will add the first addend and the sum. Okay, so your answer will be here like this. 7 we have got. So after solving it, you will get the answers, that is 7, then 8, then 6. Here was a where you had to find the number 7, 1. This all numbers you were supposed to find, correct? So if you want, you can just solve it again and find all the numbers. So coming to the next example. Now same way, exercise 2.1, some sums are given in the textbook. I'll be taking some sums of find the missing digits. Now same here. Now see here, again 4 plus which number? Now it is given 0 here. That means it is smaller than 4. So which number if you add to 4, you will get the number 0. But since 0 is smaller than 4, you have to write the number here as 6. So that you get the number as, when you add, you get the number as 10, where 0 is written and 1 is carried out in the tens place. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. You can directly write the answer here, 3. Now 7, and here the number is 8. Now 8 is bigger than 7. So 7 plus what number will give you 8? That is the number 1. Now in the thousands column, you see again it is 8 here, and when you add the number 3, it is 3 is smaller than 8. So which number if you add to the number 8, you will get the number as 3 in the ones place. So 8 plus 5 if I write here, I'll get the number as 13, where 3 I have written here and 1 I will carry out in the 10,000s place. Now 1 is smaller than 7. So 1 added, which number if you add to 1, you will get the number 7. So that is very easy, that is 6. 1 plus 6 will give you 7. Now in the lakhs place, 7 plus 8, you have to just add it, where you get the number as 15. So 5 I will write here. 1 will be carried out in the 10 lakh place. Now in the 10 lakh place, 1 is smaller than 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. So if I write 3 here in the first place, I'll get the number as 11, where 1 is carried out over here and 1 will be carried out in the crore column. Now in the crore place, 8 is bigger than 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 2 will give you 8. So after this, you just, if you want, you can just practice this and find the, just check the answer from the next slide. Okay. Yes, coming to one more sum. Same way, you have to find the missing digits. Now again same here. In the ones column, 2 is smaller than 3. If you do it very carefully, you'll be easily able to find out the missing digits. Now when I write 2 here, that means if I add any number to 3, it will be obviously more than 2. So if what should be the number to be written so that I get the 2-digit number? So it should be the number 9, correct? So 9 plus 3, it will give me 12, where 1 I'll carry out in the tens place. Now here 0 and 8 is given. Now 0 is smaller than 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So obviously 9 plus 1, if I write in the question mark place, I'll get it as 10, where I'll carry 1 in the hundreds place. Now 5, here again it is 0, which is smaller than 5. Correct? So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus which number if I write, I'll get the number as 0 in the ones place. So 6 plus 4 if I write here, it should be 10, where 1 again I'll carry out in the thousands place. Now 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16, where I'll write 6 here and 1 will be carried out in the 10,000s place. So go very slowly, be very careful while finding the missing digits. Now here it is question mark, so you'll have to just directly write the answer. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now here the first add-in you have to find. Now 5 is smaller than 8. So 8 to which number if you add, which number added to 8 will give you the number 15. So that will be the number 7. 7 plus 8 is 15, where 1 is carried out in the 10 lakh place. Correct? Now 9 plus 1 is 10. Again when carried out in the crore column. Now again here it is only 5. Just see the number here. It is only 5 in the crore column. So but 5 plus 1 is 6. So which number if you write here? You will get the number as 5 in the ones place. That will be the number 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Where I'll carry 1 in the 10 crore place. Again when you add the number in the 10 crore place, 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 that is 9. Okay. Just solve it again on your own and check your answer from the next. You can check your answer from the next slide. Okay, so I hope you all must have understood the topic, that is on addition of 8 and 9 digit numbers and how to find missing digits in an addition sum. So some sums, only one sum I have given you here. You have to just solve it. Just draw a table, place the numbers and add the numbers. Okay, and one more sum is based on find the missing digits, where just see what are the numbers and simultaneously carefully find the missing digits. So I hope you all must have understood how to add 8 and 9 digit numbers. Okay, so thank you for today. So in the next class we'll be doing with some more addition and the properties of addition in the next lesson. Till then, thank you.